Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see monitoring and debugging in Redis. So let's get started with today's video. So first let's see what are the key points to monitor, what are all things you can monitor in Redis. So firstly you can monitor memory, so that how much used memory is there, how much max memory is there, that you can see in configurations. Then latency, that if any command is having any latency you can check that. Persistence you can check. Connections, that there can be multiple connections of Redis, that you can see every total commands how many you have processed, and is there any slow command, so you can also check that. So to monitor all those things we have commands for those. So info will provide you a detailed information about the server, memory usage. And then monitor, you can like see the real-time commands executed on the Redis server. Slow logs will capture and give you the slow running commands, and latency doctor will give you like analyze and latency issues related all the information it will give. So first let's see monitor. So monitor, basically you can debug real time that what is happening with your server, so which command it's running, so you can see that. And in the right hand side you can see the list of commands for debugging. You can use all these. So now let me create one key. Let's write redis set, let's say monitor example, and let's say just 10. And now in terminal we will be writing redis CLI and command will be monitor. So now let's go and refresh. So now we can see one select is there, and set, as we have run this set command, so you can see set command is running here. So now let's write one more command for getting this key. So then echo, so refresh. So now here you can see again set is there and get is there, because now we are running two commands. So now next command, let's see info, to get all the information. So that will be redis CLI info. So this holds information about servers and number of connections of Redis as well. So here you can see server first, then you can see version as well. You can see how many clients are there. You can check the memory usage as well. So you can see replication as well, stats as well, any cluster related also you can check in this info. So next I'll be seeing is slow logs. So slow logs will be having get. So with that you can like write number of count, that you may be having so many entries but you want some set of entries only, so you can define number of count. So now write redis CLI slow log get, and I'm writing count 2. So here you can see two entries. So here one is select 0 and another one is delete is taking more time. So like that you can see which command is taking more time. So next you can see slow log length. So it will give the current number of entries in the slow log, that how many total number of commands that are slow. So let me just clear terminal and write redis CLI slow log len. So here you can see as of now I'm having 2 only, so it's giving me count 2. So next reset is also there for slow log, to clear the logs and restart again, that which all commands are there. So you can do that using slow log reset. So now next let's see client list. So write redis CLI client list. So here you can see as of now one ID it's giving. So as of now only one client I'm having as connected. So that's the reason it's giving me one client. So you can have more clients. So it will give the list of clients that you have. So now next is command. So if I write redis CLI command, so it will return an array with details about every redis command. So it will give you like total number of redis commands, and it will like really describe all the commands that server can process. So here you can see one example module. So that's a command. So here everything related to that command is there. You can check that. So command is having 4-5 sub commands. So here let's see command list. So this will return all the command name basically, which is all there. So write redis CLI command list. So now here you can see all the commands, client as well, object, lset, list is there. So you can go and check all those commands. So next let's see latency. Write redis CLI latency, and with that write doctor. So it's saying I'm sorry as of now because we don't have as such more commands that will have latency. But if you have a big project and you're using, you might have latency, so it will display that. So as of now, it says that threshold is not set for latency. So let's set that. For that, you can use config set. So config set and then parameter and its value you need to pass. So now let's run the same command. So now let's copy same and paste, and millisecond, let's say 100. Okay, config CLI and Redis CLI I need to pass. So it says okay, and now run latency doctor. So now there is no error, it just says that everything is fine. So that's all in this video. In this video I've shown you debugging and monitoring in Redis. So you can use command info monitor slow log. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, then please comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.